we are at the most iconic place in Kuala Lumpur, which is the Twin Tower right in my bag. ये हम मलेशिया से इंडिया भेजने वाले हैं अपना पोस्ट कार्ड. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you have watched the last episode, you would know that our morning was all about nature, greenery, and a bit of underwater magic, which started from the Pradana Botanical Gardens and ended at KLCC Aquarium. So, after spending that much time exploring and filming, we were honestly starving. We did not have enough time for a proper sit down lunch before our next booking at Petronas Twin Tower.
I have good eyesight.
हमने 7-Eleven ढूंढ लिया है. अब हम जा रहे हैं 7-Eleven की तरफ. So we just grabbed a few croissants and snacks from the convenience store inside the aquarium complex itself. हाँ, तो हम अपना croissant ढूंढ रहे थे जो हमारा लाइफ सेवर रहता है. croissants में यहाँ फ्लेवर नहीं थे, सो हमको कुछ क्विक बाइट्स मिले हैं एंड वी आर ट्राइंग.
इसका भी चेक कर लो.
हाँ, कपल ऑफ फ्लेवर्स कि दे लुक वेज. तो हमने यहाँ पे गूगल ट्रांसलेटर किया एंड इसको मलय टू इंग्लिश हम ट्रांसलेट कर रहे हैं. And that's when we realized that there is actually a covered walkway that directly connects the aquarium building to the Surya KLCC mall, right below the Twin Towers. It is roughly about 800 meters long and fully air conditioned, so you don't have to deal with the traffic or the sun. Honestly, this short walk felt like a mini urban adventure already. मैप पे भी लगा लिया है रास्ता, तो वो हमको बोल रहा है कि हाँ इसमें सीधे चलते जाओ. हम तीनों
हवा में चल रहा है.
अच्छा, वो हमें हवा में चला रहा है बिकॉज उसके हिसाब से कहीं रोड नहीं है यहाँ पे, राइट. We booked our slot for 5 p.m. and had planned to reach the Twin Tower by around 4 p.m. as we wanted that golden light hour to click some beautiful pictures outside before the sun went down. But as it always happens when you're traveling, and we got a bit delayed and reached around 4:30. Hi, so हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने आज के लास्ट स्पॉट पे. We are at the most iconic place in Kuala Lumpur, which is the Twin Tower right in my bag. That half an hour turned out to be perfect. The crowd was thin, the lighting was soft, and the towers looked majestic. We managed to get some amazing shots. So if you are not already following me on Instagram, please do so. You will find some of those beautiful pictures there. So magnificent. हमारा टाइम स्लॉट वाज 5:15, तो हमें 5 o'clock अंदर पहुंचना है. So it is 4:45ish now and sun is pretty bright. So we're getting really very good pictures right in front of the tower. थोड़ी देर पहले बिल्कुल भी भीड़ नहीं थी बैकग्राउंड में, like you see them now. तो हमारे पिक्चर्स बहुत क्लीन आए हैं एंड बहुत ही अच्छे आए हैं and I'm so happy with the pictures. How would it feel to go on the top of this giant building? So basically they have two towers here, Tower A and Tower B, and they are actually the headquarter of the company Petronas. It's one of the biggest petroleum company here in Malaysia. जैसे हमारे इंडियन ऑयल होता है. One of the tower is being opened for the tourism and observation. Now coming back to the main highlight, the Petronas Twin Tower experience. We had pre-booked our tickets through Klook, which I highly recommend doing the same and at least a couple of weeks in advance if you prefer some specific time slot like us. The tickets often sell out fast because each time slot allows only a limited number of visitors. The entry ticket costed us around 95 Malaysian ringgit per person. Before going up, you will have to deposit any large bags or selfie sticks. They are not allowed. And also, the eatables are not permitted either. The security is quite strict there. So, travel light, just your phone and camera and a small sling bag for all your necessary items. The visit happens in two stages. First, they take you to level 44, where you get about 10 minutes on the Sky Bridge, which is a walkway connecting the two towers.
Level, yeah. So for information, there are total 88 numbers of floors in both towers. But after this, we will usher you onto level 83 and level 86. That's our observation deck. So 10 minutes at the bridge, and then we will sing on top, yeah? We'll just save elevator. Alright, thank you.
It is such a surreal feeling standing between these giants, looking down at tiny cars and the park below. The view is amazing from here. The entire structure looks so beautiful. I don't know if I'm able to capture and do the justice with this place, but बहुत ही beautiful है. I think जो feeling है ना यहाँ से नीचे का view देखने की, it's amazing. Just look at the view. That is a KLCC park right at the back of the KLCC Surya Mall, जहाँ पर हम इसके बाद जाने वाले हैं. Then from there you go further up to the main observation deck, which is on the 86th floor. That is where you get the complete 360-degree view of Kuala Lumpur. We could spot the KL Tower, the Merdeka 118 building, and right below us, the KLCC Park, which spread out like a green little oasis. It was our first time ever going up a skyscraper that tall, and city looked absolutely magical. Honestly, it was a different feeling for us.
Yeah.
This one, yes.
Girls.
Yeah, girls. How? So pretty.
Yeah.
ये हम मलेशिया से इंडिया भेजने वाले हैं अपना पोस्ट कार्ड.
Within 1 month.
Within 1 month? Will it be delivered for sure?
Yes.
Okay. We are taking so much effort to write something. After we came down, we decided to spend some quiet time in KLCC Park. It is beautifully landscaped with water bodies and walking path, which is perfect for winding down after the rush. So अभी हम KLCC पार्क के इस प्यारे से पूल के अंदर हैं. अपने पैरों को थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करा रहे हैं. You can come in here as well. शूज़ बाहर उतारना है आपको बस. एंड पीछे आपको एक बढ़िया सा नज़ारा मिलेगा ट्विन टावर का, जो आप सनसेट होते होते इंजॉय कर सकते हैं. एंड अभी यहाँ पे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाफ एन आवर के अंदर पेट्रोनास ट्विन टावर में लाइटिंग होने वाली है. सो वी विल ऑल्सो इन्जॉय द नाइट व्यू ऑफ द टावर. मैंने जितनी पिक्चर्स देखी हैं, द टावर लुक ग्रेट इन बोथ द व्यूज, बट आई विल ट्राई एंड गिव माई ओन कंपेरिजन ऑफ द टाइम कि कब ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज 8:30 PM ऑनवर्ड्स यहाँ पे एक साउंड एंड लाइट शो होगा, जिसको हम इंजॉय करने के लिए यहाँ KLCC पार्क में रुके हुए हैं. As the sky started turning orange, the lights on the tower came alive, and that is when the whole place transformed into something straight out of postcard. We waited there for the Lake Symphony Fountain show, which happens every evening right in front of the Surya Mall. The show itself was beautiful, colorful lights, synchronized fountains, and twin tower glowing in the background. It is honestly the perfect way to end your Kuala Lumpur evening. After the show, we grabbed a quick Subway sandwich on the way back, a simple dinner after a long but beautiful day. तो KLCC मॉल है तो बहुत ही सुंदर एंड आई थिंक इट हैज़ ऑल द लग्जरी ब्रांड्स हियर Versace, Dior, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton. You can find every single brand here. We called it an early night because next morning was going to be another adventure day. And I can't wait to show you what we did next. So make sure you are subscribed if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video where we explore more of Malaysia.